of India. Bala Thackeray opposed the migrant and increasing influence of non-Marathas in cities of Mumbai. Second, I am telling about the personal background of Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray was born on 23rd January 1926 in Pune, Maharashtra, to Keshav Sitaram Thackeray. He hailed from the family of Marathas Chandrasena Kayastha Prabhus. Keshav Thackeray was a writer, social activist, and prominent figure in the Sanyukta Maharashtra Sarva, a movement of 1950s that advocated for the separate state from the Marathi-speaking population. Keshav Thackeray later left the movement because of his stand against the communities. Balasaheb Thackeray married Meena Thackeray, who was his constant source of strength. His three sons were Bhim Madhav, Jayavendra, and Uddhav. Next, I am telling about Balasaheb Thackeray's professional background before the entering politics. His career started as a cartoonist in Mumbai with the Free Press Journal as an English daily. The Sunday edition of the Times of India also featured his cartoon. He left the job in 1960s and founded Marmik, a new political weekly with his brother. Marmik was published on August 13, 1960s at the hand of the Chief Minister Yashwantrao Chauhan and Dadar Balmohan Vidya Mandir. Thackeray was the editor of magazine खींचो ना कमान ना तलवार निकालो, खींचो ना कमान ना तलवार निकालो, जब तक मुकाबिल हो तब तक अखबार निकालो, तब तक अखबार निकालो. What is his punchline? Marmik Thackeray was comment on the political and social issues. On October 1966, he published a list of officers in Hindustan Lever, but this time changed the title as वाचा आणि कसा taunting the
Kalyani, your sound is not audible.
आता येतोय का मॅम? हॅलो.
Yes, yes. It is audible now.
Balasaheb Thackeray professional background before entering politics. His career started as a cartoon in Mumbai with the Free Press Journal as English daily. The Sunday edition of Time of India also featured his cartoon. He left job in 1960s and founded Marmik, a new political weekly with his brother. Marmik was published on 13th August 1960 at the hands of the Chief Minister Yashwantrao Chauhan at Dadar Balmohan Vidya Mandir. Thackeray was the editor the magazine खींचो ना कमान ना तलवार निकालो, खींचो ना कमान ना तलवार निकालो, जब तक मुकाबिल हो तब तक अखबार निकालो, तब तक अखबार निकालो. Was it is a punchline in Marmik Thackeray comment on the political and social issues. On 16th October 1966, he published a list of officers in Hindustan Lever, but this time changed the title as a वाचा आणि ठाण्यात बसा, taunting the neutral local. 15th June 1996, Thackeray published a box in Marmik and announced the "We will launch Shiv Sena soon to prevent the attack of South Indians." I will tell about the Balasaheb Thackeray political journey. On 19th June 1966, Bala Thackeray formed the right-wing ethnocentric Marathis party called as the Shiv Sena with the objective to stand for the right of Marathis of Maharashtra. The power of party increased in the earlier 1970s when senior leaders such as Balasaheb Purandar, historian of Marathi literature, Madhav Mehere, chief actor of Trade Union of Maharashtra, and Madhav Deshpande. The Shiv Sena wrenched control of Mumbai trade unions from the Communist Party of India. Samna Shiv Sena own newspaper was launched in 1988. The party alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party lead to win a Maharashtra state assembly elections held in 1995, which saw the alliance coming into a power. In 1998 interviews, Balasaheb Thackeray says that his viewpoint on the issues that his party had with the Muslim had changed on different subjects, especially regarding the Ram Jalmabhoomi and Babri Mosque issues. In 2006, Raj Thackeray, his nephew, moved out of the Shiv Sena and formed a new party called as a Maratha Navnirman Sena. This happened after, after Balasaheb Thackeray announced his refinement from executive politics and his son Uddhav Thackeray became a new leader of a party. I am telling about a Balasaheb Thackeray and Bollywood connection. Balasaheb Thackeray has a good equation with Bollywood star Dilip Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Rajesh Khanna, were some of his good friends and share great support. The Sarkar series of movies was purely based on Thackeray. The ठाकरे पॉप्युलर स्लोगन इज शिवरायांची शपथ तुम्हाला विजयी करा शिवसेनेला. शिवरायांची शपथ तुम्हाला विजयी करा शिवसेनेला. बाजार पुंगी हटाओ लुंगी बूंजी बन गए मोती. शिवसेना हमारी साथी, शिवसेना हमारी साथी. After that, Balasaheb Thackeray death on 17 November 2012. Balasaheb Thackeray come to death due to the cardiac attack. The state of Maharashtra under high alert. City A. Whitening